Yeah. We have a visitor from Vespa Club, Great Britain. Mick. Joe Pops trying to demo how to eat a balut. Yeah, like when a person is pregnant, there's water, right? So even with a chick, it's like the water bag. Maybe you don't want to see it, just eat with him.
No. Vinegar. Oh no, it's salt. Vinegar.
Too much salt.
Sorry. And then M1. That's alright, right?
Yeah.
All good. That's the L. Yeah, that's the hard part of the egg. Hard part of the egg. Oh, good.
Okay, your turn?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kuya pa yan. Kaya sa. Pakita ko saan yung babasagin.
Would you want to see the duckling?
No. I don't think I want to look.
So taste the soup.
I'm going to.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Don't rush me.
I'm not rushing you.
Build myself up for this. Yeah, that's the soup. Oh, not bad, right? Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah. It's a wrap.
Well, you're saving the shell.
No, he doesn't want you to
Saving the empty.
he doesn't want you to litter.
Okay, that's good enough. Okay. Rinse it with vinegar.
Okay, and then feel the beak, feel the feathers.
Ready? Suck it in. Nice one. Good. Okay?
See, two more?
No.
Okay.
What's that film?